And so he couldn't get any food. He couldn't get a place to stay at night. Why? Because he is an ex-convict. Disappointed, he goes to the house of a bishop, where the bishop was staying with his sister and a maid. And the bishop is described as a good bishop who obeys the principles of Christ to the letter. The bishop gives him food and shelter for the night. Valjean, still angry and frustrated at society and filled with hate for those who are privileged, steals the bishop's silver candlestick and runs away again. And then when Valjean knocks at the door of the bishop's sister opened the door, and Jean Valjean shows the yellow card, showing that he is an ex-convict. And the sister and the servant were afraid, but the bishop was very adamant. He invited Valjean to his residence. And for the first time in his life, Valjean was able to hear a kind word and could see a kind gesture. And the bishop gives him very good food. And then he was given a nice room to stay at night. And then Valjean cannot understand at first the attitude of the bishop. By staying 19 years in the prison, he had a very negative attitude to the world around. And when Valjean was eating food, he had noticed the silver candlesticks on the bishop's table. And the next morning, early morning, Valjean steals these candlesticks and goes out. But within hours, he was caught by Javed, the police officer. I told you about Javed, one who believes the law to be the final word, one who obeys law to its letter, and one who believes that the world is safe only with rules and regulations. Javed is a police officer who never had shown any mercy and compassion to any prisoner. Javed is a man who believes that only black and white is there, no grey is there. Only good and evil people are there in the society. He cannot think of a proper mixture of good and evil. He was going after Jean Valjean, watching his movements, and he saw Jean Valjean going with the silver candlesticks. Immediately, Javed arrested him and brought him before the good bishop. And seeing Valjean in handcuffs, bishop asked Javed, why you have brought this man? He is my friend. Why you brought him with handcuffs? And then the police officer replied, dear bishop, this man, he is an ex-convict. He will never become a good person. I am going to take him back to the prison because he had stolen your silver candlesticks. Do you know what was the reply of the good bishop? Bishop says that, these candlesticks were my gift to Jean Valjean. I have given him so that he can sell it, and with the money he can begin with a new life. But Javed cannot believe the words of the bishop. He was sure that bishop is trying to cover up Jean Valjean. But bishop was very adamant. He says that Valjean is my friend. I have given my silver candlesticks to him so that he can sell it, and with the money he can begin a new life. Then Javed cannot arrest Valjean. and he goes away disappointed. And now the real transformation happens in the mind of Valjean. He asked the bishop, "Why you saved me? I have stolen your candlesticks." Why? Then why you saved me? There, the good bishop is actually, he tells Valjean, that is, I don't need these candlesticks, but I know that you are my fellow brother. And I know that you are not fortunate like me. Because I am a bishop, I have everything to live. But you don't have anything. You need money, isn't it? And so, remember, in your life also, you should show mercy and compassion to the people who come around you. Take it from me. That is the only thing that I want from you. You should give me the assurance that hereafter you will be a good man. And you will become a new person. And there, Valjean, he really becomes a new person. That is forgiveness, mercy, compassion. It can change an individual. Even such a rough person like Jean Valjean is transformed completely by the love and the empathetic understanding of the good bishop. Thanking the bishop, Valjean goes out. And after that, he take a vow that he will do only good hereafter. And he did. And now again I will read from the text. In the morning, Valjean, still angry and frustrated at society and filled with hate for those who are privileged, steals the bishop's silver candlestick and runs away again. In the morning, he is caught and brought back to the bishop's house. To his surprise, the bishop scolds the policeman who brought him handcuffed and says that Valjean is no thief but a friend to whom he had given the candlestick. A stunned Valjean is unable to understand the bishop's kindness and mercy to him, a stranger and a thief. After this, Valjean's life takes on a completely different turn. This one act of mercy and forgiveness by the bishop spurs him on to a new life. Valjean changes his name, goes to a different place, works hard, and eventually becomes the respected mayor of the town and is able to repay the bishop's kindness to him to many others. And so, Valjean thanks the bishop and goes out. After that, he had taken the decision that he will be a good man. He will fulfill the promise that he had given to the bishop. And he worked severely hard, and finally he became the respectable mayor of that city. And when he was in this position, he used to show kindness and compassion to all those people who came around him. He was very merciful to the people around. He helped as many people as possible. Everybody in the town respected him. And then coming to the next paragraph, Javed the policeman who arrested him for stealing the bishop's silver was not convinced of Valjean's innocence. He knew that he was guilty but could not prove it as the bishop covered up for Valjean. Many years later, Javed comes across Valjean again, but this time he is the mayor. Javed exposes Valjean as an ex-criminal, a thief, and one who escaped from prison to avoid justice being meted out to him. And Valjean runs away before Javed can take him back to prison. For the rest of the story, Javed spends his time pursuing Valjean, determined to make him pay for his thievery and for his false identity. Valjean has to hide and assume different identities as a hunted man and lives a tormented life full of fear and uncertainty. And so Javed is really angry with Jean Valjean, and again he cannot arrest him because of the good bishop. And so even after that, Javed was trying to trace Jean Valjean, and for many years he couldn't. Finally, one day he happened to see Jean Valjean as the mayor of the city. And Javed wanted to expose Valjean. Because I told you that Javed was one who obeys rule to its letter. Because he knew he wanted to take Valjean to the prison for stealing the silver candlesticks. But because the bishop covered up for Valjean, he cannot arrest him. And so he is again after Valjean. And he understood that Valjean is living under a new identity. And Valjean escapes from Javed again. And again, Valjean goes in different names, take up different disguises. But he was always hunted by Javed. Because Javed always believes that a criminal should come back to the prison. Even if the crime is big or small, his place should be in prison. Our rules alone makes the society safe. That is what Javed thinks. He has no mercy, no compassion for anybody. And so he is hunting after Valjean.